Hey, what's going on guys? This is Prabhat back with another video, and in this video I will teach you guys that how you can make 2D intro for your YouTube channel on your Android device. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The application you need to edit your intro is kanemaster. You can easily install it from Play Store. Just search for kanemaster in Play Store and simply install this application. It is totally free. So once you have installed kanemaster, you need intro. You need an intro without any text. So you can easily find it on YouTube. Just search for 2D intros without text. Just search for it and you will see various results. Here select any video. You can find the download link in the description. So just go in description and select any intro, then simply download it. I have already downloaded the intro. So after that you need to open kanemaster. Click on this plus icon, then go to project assistant, name it anything, then click on OK. Select your video. In my case it should be right here in downloads folder. Then click on next, 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 and then click on next again. Just simply next, and next. So here skip a video a bit, and here I have to type my name here. Click on layer, then go to text and type your channel name here. Click on OK, then decrease a bit, something like this. Just adjust it. Tap on this yellow type thing, then go to double A sign, capital A, then small a, and here you can change font. Select any font, the font which you want. Then you can resize it and you can put it here or there depending on your choice. So it's pretty easy to edit videos, especially in kanemaster. So here I will add one more text, my YouTube channel link. And resize it. So here we will set one animation. Just click on this yellow type thing and go to in animation, then here select pop. I will resize this thing first and I will place it down here. Also I will change the font. So here go to in animation and you can select here fade or none. I will select pop and I will here select pop too. So like this, or you can select fade. Pop is really good, so I will select that. So let's play my intro. So it is looking good. So now click on this share type icon which you will see on the left side of your screen. Then tap here save video to gallery and select high definition. And you are done. Let's play it. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and guys, if you have any question, make sure you comment down below. My name is Prabhat and I am signing out.